Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another tutorial with Big Z. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to speak Spanish. No, not really. I'm going to teach you Bengali, okay? And we're going to go over possessive pronouns in this lesson. Last video was about possessive adjective, and so this time I'm going to go over possessive pronouns as requested by one of you. So you'll notice that possessive pronoun and possessive adjective, they're exactly the same in Bengali, even though they are different in English. But let's go over that right now, we can discuss that right now. Alright, so let's go over the possessive pronouns here in both English and Bengali, right? So possessive pronouns are সম্বন্ধসূচক সর্বনাম in Bengali, and in Bengali they are exactly the same as possessive adjective that we went over in our previous video, right? But in English they're different, right? My becomes mine, your becomes yours, right there, and his stays the same, but her becomes hers, So that was the possessive adjective. Check out that video and then come back to it and just look at the differences, right? In English, that is, but in Bengali there's no difference whatsoever. But yeah, our become ours. That's the possessive adjective is our, right? And possessive pronoun becomes ours, and there is there. So it's basically adding an s at the end. That's what's going. And your. So this is plural, right? Possessive pronoun in English, and it's not used. So I'm not even gonna go over that. And in Bengali, it's not used. Like, it's very very rare, and it's case by case situation, and we don't use that often. But let's go over that one more time. Mine, yours. Well, it's in English first. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Yours just plural, and it's not used. Okay. So mine is Amar, stays the same in Bengali. Yours is Tomar, that's informal. Your Apnar is formal, right there. So Amar, Tomar, Apnar. His, hers, Tar or Tahar, right? Tar or Tahar, and that's informal. And Tar or Tahar, so that's formal, right? Ours is Amader, same as previous. Theirs is Tader or Tader, right? Yours, that's plural, is Tomader. This is formal, and Apnader is oh no, what the heck? Tomader is informal and Apnader is formal. Okay, so Tomader and Apnader, Apnader, just like that, and it's not used. So go over that one more time. Mine is Amar, yours is Tomar, that's informal. Yours is Apnar, that's formal. His or hers is Tar or Tahar, or Tar or Tahar. This is the formal version. Ours is Amader. Theirs is Tader or Tader, right? Yours is Tumader. This is informal, and Apnader, that's formal, and it's is not used. It's just, yeah, it's not used in English, and in Bengali, like I said, it depends case by case. So yeah, the native speakers do not use it that often. Okay, so now we're going to go over some sentences that we can make with possessive pronouns in English and Bengali, right? Like the usual stuff we do. So here we are. This book is mine. This book is mine, right? Ei boiti amar. That's the translation. Ei boiti amar. Ei boiti amar, right there. So this book is mine. Ei boiti amar. This pen is yours. Ei kolomti tomar. Right? Ei kolomti tomar. Right there. Ei kolomti tomar. Ei kolomti tomar. This pen is yours. Alright, then we got this house is his. Ei bariti tar. Right? Or tar. That's the formal. His or her. Okay. Once again, this house is his. Ei bariti tar or tar. Ei bariti tar. Or you can say this house is hers. Ei bariti tahar. Tar or tar. Right. And then we got this house is ours. Ei bariti amader. Ei bariti amader. This house is ours. Ei bariti amader. Ei bariti amader. Right there. And then this house is theirs. Ei bariti tader or tader. Tader, right? If people are older, like they're in their 80s and stuff, you can say, hey, these people own this house and this house is theirs. Ei bariti tader. Or if it's like your friends or something, you can say, oh, this house is theirs. Ei bariti tader, right? Okay, I hope this makes sense. Any question, comment, concern, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos. Big Z out.